Today we're going to be reading Elephants Can Paint Too by Katia Arnold.
Elephants Can Paint Too. Pictures and text by Katia Arnold. I teach in 2 schools. One is in the city. The other is in the jungle.
Okay.
Some of my students have hands. Others have trunks. The elephant's trunk is both a hand and a nose. Not only can a trunk pick things up, it can smell, snore, trumpet, purr, drink, and spray. Elephants also use their trunks to communicate in a kind of sign language. A young elephant sucks his trunk the way the baby can suck their thumbs.
All right. Elephants are vegetarians that eat grass, leaves, twigs, and fruit. They also like human food, especially ice cream. Each day they eat about 300 pounds of food, as much as 12 cows eat, and drink 35 gallons of water, as much as a whole bathtub full. They use their trunks to put the food in their mouths and to slurp up the water. Some students eat grass, others eat peanut butter and jelly, but they all love cookies.
And they all like to be with their friends. Young elephants play a lot. They wrestle, climb on each other, and just plain act silly. They talk with each other with sounds people cannot hear. They can also scream and even cry tears when they're sad.
Time for art class. Elephants in Asia have worked with people for 4,000 years. They've hauled huge stones and logs and were used in wars as a kind of tank that frightened enemies because of their size. Now they can be seen in parades and in circuses and carrying people in special parks. Only recently have they become artists. Like children, elephants learn from their elders and brothers and sisters. They can also learn from us.
First, I give each student a brush. Elephants live as long as possible, as people do. By age 3, most Asian elephants have already learned a lot of commands such as come, bring it, stop, lie down. Some elephants learn to hold a brush right away. Others take a week or 2.
Look how many ways there are to hold it. Elephants have 150,000 muscles in their trunks. Our entire body has only 639 muscles. Some elephants hold the brush by wrapping their trunk around it. Others hold it inside their trunk. If an elephant throws the brush away or eats it, he probably won't become an artist.
Now, let's paint. After the teacher guides the elephant's trunk to the paper and says, touch. Some elephants drag the brush over the paper, others dab. If the teacher points and says, make a line here, they do. When they want a new color, they give the brush to the teacher. Some paint for a few minutes, others paint for as long as an hour. If they are tired or bored, they drop the brush and walk away.
These students like to paint dots. Each elephant's painting is different. Some paint with wiggly lines, some with spots, some paint only in the middle of the paper. Others put paint everywhere. They like to paint. Sometimes, even when class is finished and the teacher is cleaning up, they grab for the brush to keep painting.
These students like bright colors.
Wow! These students can paint flowers. Most elephants don't paint real things. They paint colored strokes. But some elephants paint trees and flowers. It takes them about 3 years to learn. Whatever they paint, it helps to praise them and reward them with a treat. Children learn to paint much faster than elephants do.
Everyone has their own style.
Anything can happen when a teacher isn't looking. Young elephants can misbehave. They grab each other's tails, steal fruit from your pocket, snatch your hat off your head, and run away from their mothers, who then spank them with their trunks. Sometimes they spray their teacher with water.
Time to clean up. Remember to wash between your toes. Elephants bathe every day. Like children, they love water. Although an elephant can weigh as much as 6 cars, all are good swimmers. Using their trunks as a snorkel, they can swim up to 30 miles without resting.
Art class is over. All my students can paint and be proud. Exhibitions of elephant art in Japan, Italy, England, and the United States show people all over the world how amazing the elephant paintings are. A lot of people have brought elephant paintings. The money that is made is used to provide a secure and healthy life for the Asian elephants.
The end.